Don't miss out on another opportunity to get in early and be a part of something extraordinary. Today I'm super excited to be talking about this next project called Grape, a promising project that is your ticket to the AI Web 4 revolution. We'll talk all about that today. Obviously, for any project that I talk about, please do your own research, but I do think that's definitely an exciting one. If you didn't get a chance to buy Bitcoin super early on, this might be your opportunity to join a really interesting project. So we'll talk a little bit about what this project is all about, all the exciting things that they are doing in the crypto blockchain world. And then I'll teach you guys how you guys can be involved if you guys choose to do so. So without further ado, let's talk about Grape. Here we have a website at grape.com. It's actually spelled GRAP3.com, but I'll put the link in the description so you guys can check this out for yourself. So we'll talk all about the things that they've accomplished. It says the only Web3 ecosystem for virtual worlds. We'll talk about that, the whole entire ecosystem for Web 4, that's AI driven, which is really cool. They already made significant strides launching the distributed DAG ledger. We'll talk about that, which is currently in testnet stage. We'll talk about all the exciting reasons to be part of Grape. They have the supply advantage, they have enhanced utility, super fast transactions, and then of course the AI component to that. But I'll let you guys do your own research. I'll try to cover as much as I can today, but I will teach you guys how you guys can be involved, which means either being a part of the testnet and how you can do that, or how you could kind of get your own GRP, which is the symbol of this project. We'll walk through buying and what that means. We'll also talk about some interesting things that are going on. They have an airdrop. They have a competition going on. Lots of exciting stuff. Definitely something for everyone. So if you guys are interested, I'll make sure that you have all the links for all this stuff, but let's go. First, layer 1 decentralized infrastructure designed to meet the needs of the gaming and metaverse industries, obviously really popular industries. If you guys are interested, you could click this buy button. We'll show what that means. You have to log in, and that's how you get access. But let's check out what this is about. So Grape, so they have this whole entire theme going on. So Grape created Vine, proprietary DAG basis with multi-layer functionality. So they talk about what is a part of Vine: Launchpad, smart contracts, AI-based DEX, quantum-resistant encryption, decentralized cloud storage. They have a lot of interesting things going for it, obviously leveraging all the Web3 technologies. And like I said, they're creating the ideal ecosystem for Web 4, which obviously is going to have a huge component with AI. So we'll talk a little bit about that. I opened up the white paper for us to check out. These have a light paper. We'll check out those out as well. Primary goal of Grape is to create a fully decentralized infrastructure, and they kind of talk about the different nodes. And then TPS, remember when we talk about TPS, you don't need to know specifically the quantity, the 7,000 K TPS. That's essentially just denoting the speed. So there's Grape infrastructure allows launching any Web3 apps with potential for unlimited scalability. And then again, they kind of talk about where they end up in the chart of how fast the transactions per second, and then the functionality. Obviously, they're in the top right. A lot of the projects we see here are awesome, great projects that are super successful. And I think Grape has the foundation to really exceed some of the things that they're doing. So again, if you guys have any questions, definitely check out the website, check out the frequently asked questions, what they are doing in general, but also how they're focusing on specific industries. But let's jump into some of this documentation they have. They have a lot of great documentation. Here's the light paper. It's a light paper. It's 30 pages though. They kind of talk about why Grape, the first Web 4 type technology created to support fully the true decentralization of the internet. What's unique? We talked about some of these. So in Web 3, usage, complexity, financial responsibility, overall functionality, which they have in Web 4, but they're adding what they call Vine and AN. Vine is the decentralized infrastructure. And then AN is the AI-based interface. Obviously, AI is a huge thing right now, and they really want to capitalize on that, which is cool. What industries can benefit from Grape? A lot of different ones. Here's some example: banking, manufacturing, logistics, healthcare, legal. And again, they kind of go through all these different use cases, the market opportunity. So they could definitely go into detail here. Again, I'm not going to go over everything. I encourage you guys to do so on your own. Just a couple of things I wanted to point out is AN, the AI-based interface, and then the different services and what they can do. allow multiple biometric options for authentication. Again, this is all about security and privacy, which is important. Quantum resistance, unique smart contract engine. So obviously the benefit of virtual worlds and NFTs, data storage. Again, there's so much going on. If you guys are interested, definitely check it out. Here is the quick roadmap. So the testnet, which I talked about, mainnet launch, alpha launch of AND later this year, and then next year, authentication to wallets, a mainnet sharding, and then launch of AND sometime next year. So again, that is the light paper. They even have like a tech paper. So not a white paper, this is a tech paper, just specifically going to the details of all the things mentioned there. And so how can you secure your share? If you visit, I'll put the link in the description. Click the link to sign up for the first round distribution. There are 2,000 spots available and they won't last long. The first round requires a minimum of 500 worth of Grape. It will only be expensive with later rounds. And then, like I said, if you guys want to learn how to buy, you got to go onto buy.grape.com and then you got to sign up for an account. And then you could go through the steps there. They're also running a referral competition, which means if someone purchases Grape with your referral link, you could potentially win. First place gets $1 million USD in Grape, which is so definitely an awesome reward that you should definitely take advantage of. Again, that in a nutshell was Grape and their ecosystem. Remember, they have a lot of advantages. The supply advantage, with less than half supply of Bitcoin, unique opportunity for growth. Utility, we kind of went over all those different things that you can do with the smart contract, DApp creator, decentralized cloud storage, and then quantum computing resistance. We always talk about the fast transactions and how it kind of fit into that chart compared to other projects up there, over 700,000 TPS. And then, of course, different things for creators out there. So they have the AI technology with Grapes and then different things that you can do with that. Again, if you guys are interested, definitely go through all this documentation. I'll put the links in the description for you to check out yourself about the ecosystem. And then if you guys are interested, also check out their Twitter account. There's a bunch of things going on. Obviously, the most important thing right now is getting in for round 1 whitelist with a chance for instant approval. Remember, there's 2,000 spots available, something you guys shouldn't miss out on. I'll put the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time.